My brows are doing something weird. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. Whether you celebrate it or not, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I know it's harder to celebrate during these times. I mean, that is the reality. But whatever it is that you guys are doing, please be safe and yeah, let's just make the most of what our situation is. So today I'm going to show you guys a pretty Valentine's Day look, and I was trying to figure out what look I want to do for Valentine's Day because I feel like I've gone through a lot of them already that are like simple, that are like a little bit extra, but whatever. I had a hard time trying to figure out what I wanted to do for this one, but I think I have a good one in mind, so let's go ahead and get into it. So to start off, if you guys know me, you know I need to get this out of my way because there you go. Also, how cute are these earrings? And you know what? I have to switch my earrings. Hey guys, unfortunately I lost my clip with my beginning part of my makeup with my primers and my foundation. So I'm just going to show you guys what I used. I used the NYX Honeydew Me Up as my first primer. I second primed with the Makeup Revolution Fix&Glow just to get a nice little glow. And then I color corrected with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Peach Corrector. And lastly, the foundation I used is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage in the color Warm Bamboo. So here's the clip afterwards. Alright, so now let's go ahead and conceal. And for concealer, I am going to go into a hydrating route. So for that, I'm going to use the E.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in medium golden. And I know the color looks a little odd, but I like to just take it. It's like very pink actually. I don't know if I got the right color. I like to just take it and apply it. And I go crazy with my concealer because, have I been saying highlighter this whole time or concealer? I don't know. Because I have the dark circles and I have the puffiness too. I mean, not that concealer really helps with the puffiness, but for the dark circles, yeah. I'm actually going to leave it for a minute. But while we're waiting for that, I'm gonna go and contour, and I'm actually going to use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I haven't used this in a while, and this is in C14. And I like this because it's more of a subtle contour, and I think that's what I want for this look. I might change my mind later, but it's also a cream contour or like a liquid contour, so I want to go ahead and apply that before I get my powders going. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and work on my concealer, and I'm actually going to go back to my little sponge that I used for my color corrector and work that in. I need a little bit more because my dark circles are the worst. I'm just taking that extra highlighter to the other points instead of adding more. So now that I have this hydrating concealer and I have the concealer put in, I'm gonna go ahead and powder. So I'm gonna go into my Huda Beauty Blondie powder. You guys know I love this powder. This is my favorite. I feel like it gives a nice blurring effect. And I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it so that way I can prevent the creasing. So I'm just gonna go back into this sponge and get a little powder. We're not baking, we're just patting it in. And I'm actually gonna do the same for the lid. And now I'm just gonna take a nice little fluffy powder brush, which is like really, really small, so I can get a little bit more of a concentration. And I'm just going to finish that powdering up. We're going to go back into another E.l.f. palette, and I'm going to go into my E.l.f. contour palette in light to medium. And I have really hit pan with this one, but I'm going to go into what I can get. I don't need too much. I need to get another one of these actually. I'm going to go into that and contour. As you know, before I go ahead and do my blush and my highlight and my lips, I like to do my eyes first because I feel like all the rest of it is just like finishing touches. I'm going to go ahead and do a nice little pink look with the liner. So before I can do that, I'm going to go ahead and do my shadow. Okay, so we're going to move on to the Balm Cosmetics SmokeBalm palette. And I'm going to use this middle color right here, which is called Luminous. We're going to put that as our transition color. It's not a lot, I get it, and I don't want it to be a lot because I'm so used to using so many like darker browns. And yes, I am packing it, but you can see a little bit of definition right here. Next, I'm going to go into this colored Raine Cosmetics color in Champagne Life, which is this beautiful like gold-ish shimmery color. I'm going to use a flat, dense brush like this, and I'm going to take it to that color. Hopefully, it doesn't need any spraying or anything, but we are going to do some stuff on top of that as well. So there's the color packed on. Ooh-wee. Yes. It doesn't need any help with any water or anything. I like this brush, and it is by Scone. I like it because it kind of like cups my inner corners really well. So like if I do that, like it just gives me the right amount of love in the inner corners. My nails are getting so dirty with all the colors, but I do really like how my nails look. They're very Valentine's, see, with the hearts and little shimmer. Very, very pretty. Yay. I'm trying to decide which step I want to do next. I think I'm going to go ahead and do the liner, and I'm going to go into my HANDAIYAN eyeliner in the color 02. It doesn't give me a color name. It is this really pretty pink, actually kind of like a Pepto-Bismol pink, but we're gonna go and do an eyeliner with that. So it's gonna be a little bit of yeah, me figuring it out. So I know the kind of look I want to do. I just have to make sure that it turns out that way. So we always want to start off with just giving us our base. It's gonna be all over my lashes. So that is pretty much my base. I really like this color. All right, now this is going to be the hard part, which is the wing. The other side was not as graceful as this one. I love how this is looking so far. And there's something else I want to do to it, but I don't want to screw it up. So I'm like lightly treading. Ooh, I did it. Okay, so I just want to give a little bit of like a extra liner look to the top. All right, so I'm just merging them both together. Ooh. Yeah, this one is not very forgiving, so you kind of have to be very careful. Yeah, see, I screwed up a little bit over here because yeah, the confidence was just not there. Girl, be confident. Confident, but I can fix it. All right, guys, so I did both eyes. I did have some fixing to do. It's not the best, but it is my first time doing it, so I'm actually pretty happy with it. So another thing I wanted to do for my eyes was add a little bit of glitter, and as you know, I have gotten some glitter from Colourpop. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to it up here. Go check it out. I want to use this color on the lid right where like that gold is. I know I'm pretty much covering up that gold, but I'm going to try not to pack it on too much. And this is the color Roller Disco. And I'm not going to use a glitter glue because this is pretty like, it's like a jelly type. So it's not just glitter. I am going to fan it out so that way it doesn't dry and crease. Let's hope that works. So I'm going to just use a flat brush like this just to get it into where I want it. And I'm just going to take a little bit. It's not a little bit, it's kind of a lot. And I'm going to start on the center and kind of just spread it apart. And I'm going to pat it down more than like moving it around too much. Ooh. And I'm trying not to look up so that I don't mess it up. I'm gonna go into a smaller flat brush as well, just to get like up here so I don't get like a lot. Oh, that is so pretty. So I feel like drying it really does help with the creasing. Alright, feeling nice and shimmery and shiny. Yeah, I try to keep it simple, but then it just went somewhere. So let me go ahead and do the bottom lid. I feel like I should do something a little bit darker for the bottom lid. So for the bottom lid, I'm actually going to go back into my e.l.f. contour palette and just take a flat smudging or dense brush, and I'm going to go into the darkest color, which I'm basically running out of, and put that onto my bottom lid. Oh, that's nice. So now all I need to do is my lashes and mascara. So I'm going to go into these Ardell Wispies for my lashes, and for my mascara, I'm going to go into my top mascara or top lashes with these Essence Lash Paradise, and with the bottom I'm going to do this Voluminous Lash Paradise. Oh, this is Lash Princess, not Paradise. Sorry. Yeah, Lash Princess for the top and Lash Paradise for the bottom. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the lashes in and it's all good to go. I did have to reapply a little bit of the glitter on the crease because it did come off, and I know it's going to come off again, but I just wanted to have it look a little better for you guys. But yeah, the creasing is gonna happen, but I just packed it on just a little bit more. But yeah, you do get like a little bit of glitter coming here and there. Actually, one more thing I wanted to do for the eyes is I was thinking of going into this Colourpop gel liner, and it is in the color Gold Reef, and I wanted to put that on my bottom liner. And I know it's like a different pink, it's just it's like a lighter pink, but I think it'll look really nice to open up my eyes. So I'm just gonna go right in and put that in. It's got a little watery, but ooh, I like it. So now it's officially, the eyes are done. What I did really forget, honestly, are my brows. I can't believe I forgot those. I'm actually gonna go into this LA Girl brow pomade and just spoolie it on, or spoolie first. And it is in this beautiful brown, and I'm just gonna take that and fill in my brows. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some blush on, and I love using my Rare Beauty blush, so I'm going to go into that, and this is in Grace. But first I'm just going to add a little bit to the back of my hand like that. I have learned this trick to put it on the back of your hand, then take a sponge, and this way you're not messing up your foundation. So just take a sponge and then sponge it on to your cheeks. And even though it is like a cream blush, it actually dries to a powder. So you don't have to worry about it kind of like coming off. To highlight, I'm going to actually go into my OFRA and Rodeo Drive. I haven't used this in such a long time. Take a different brush for my brow bones, a little bit for my inner corners. Alright guys, so to finish this look off, I have to do my lips, and I'm going to try this Pop Beauty color in Sweet Harmony, and this is their Permanent Pout collection. Yeah, I really like this color, so hopefully, oh yeah, that's good. It smells so good. Like gingerbread cookies or something. Ooh. I'm debating if I want to add this Ciate London Lip Luster in Kiss Me. It's like a little bit of a glowy look. I don't know if I need any more glow in my life for this look, but let's just add a little bit. Oh, this just gives it a little bit of a glossy look. I like it. Alright guys, so this is my final look for Valentine's Day. I know it's a little extra or a lot extra. I I wish I could fix that creasing, but it is what it is. When I look up, it looks completely fine, so I'm okay with that. But yeah, I really, really like it. So if you guys know, I'm still trying to figure out, maybe the glue will work better. If you guys know, you know what, let me do that. I had said it once before that I was going to use glitter glue and then put the glitter there, but I didn't do that. So I'm going to try it and see if that actually works. So I'm just going to take a little bit of glitter glue. I'm going to apply that to the crease and let it kind of get tacky-ish. Even though keeping it like this, you really can't tell, so I don't know if I should just keep it like this. I definitely used more glue than necessary. This is so pretty, you guys. Hopefully that won't go away, but for now it looks good. It's so pretty. Alright, so there was one other thing that I was kind of debating if I wanted to do, and that is this glitter from Colourpop called Love Language. Actually has little hearts in it, and I was thinking if I should use it. And it's just like a little heart, and I could use it like somewhere here or here. Alright, so I got it on a tweezer. It's just a cute little heart, and I was thinking if I should put one like right here, like a mole-ish, or here at the end of my, what would look better? I have a little heart there. I don't know if that's really making any difference at all, but I'm just going to leave it there because I think it's so cute. Alright, we'll just leave it. But yeah, now this is my final look, and the creasing doesn't look too bad. Actually, yeah, the creasing is not looking too bad at all. So maybe glue is the way to go for that. But how pretty is this look? Let me know, you guys, if you like this look. I actually really, really like it. Let me know if you like the foundation. I really think the foundation looks so pretty, and I think the combination of the foundation and this glow actually looks really, really good together. And I love the color that I picked. This is my color. I did not do so well with my Huda Beauty foundation because I feel like it's a little too light, and I was just way too excited. But I mean, I should get my color, but for now I think I'm pretty good with this one. And yeah, so everything else I think looks really, really, really pretty. I love the glitters. I am in love with the glitters. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I think it's such a pretty pink, glittery, cute look. Yes, it's probably not something that you would wear out, but then again, where are we going right now? So put it on at home and wear it. But if you want to do it without the glitter, I still think it looks really, really pretty. And it's my first time doing that kind of a wing liner, which I really like. But yeah, this is like my pretty, pretty Valentine's Day look, and look how cute my earrings are. I mean, like, I have Valentine's Day written all over me. My nails, my eyes, my earrings. So pretty. But yeah, let me know what you guys have planned for Valentine's Day, if you do have anything planned. And also, if you like this look, let me know that as well. And if you do, give this video a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye. My curls are gone.